Mkhululi Nkambule took home the Chevrolet Bakkie, which was up for grabs in the Swazi Plaza Winner Car competition. We have a report.
The Swazi Plaza Winner Car competition was launched on the 4th of September this year. The competition was entered by spending more than 250 malangeni from any shop in the Swazi Plaza. 4,100 entries were received by the Swazi Plaza and they did a draw for the final 10. Center manager Alan Fabian says it's their mandate to give back to their customers.
No, we have had quite a few competitions over time, but I think this is probably the biggest one in monetary terms. Most definitely, we want to stay as #1 shopping centre in Swazi Plaza, in Swaziland. So we always are thinking of new ways to improve the shopping experience. Just I'm so happy for him because he's a young man, and I hope that he uses this bucket to really make something exciting of his life. And we hope we see him again. He's very confident that if we ever have another car, he's going to win that too. So we're really happy for him. It's wonderful, wonderful news.
The winner of the Chevrolet Bakkie, Mkhululi Nkambule, who's very excited, says he couldn't believe it when his name was called out. He says he is thankful to the Almighty for this gift.
Ngijabule kakhulu, ngiyajabula kakhulu nasekhaya bangijabulele.
He says when he entered the competition, he didn't expect to win because many people entered as well. He says he bought clothes at Mr. Price worth 280 malangeni, and that is when they told him about the competition. He says he's very happy he won the car and he will make sure that he takes good care of it. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungile Makakwela with KNMCB in Mbabane.